Can you please explain the top highlights of what the benefits of working with digital wealth partners? One, institutional grade custody. My definition of institutional grade custody: segregated, bankruptcy remote, insured accounts by a regulated financial institution. Yeah, you need all those things. And it needs to be FIPS compliant, which use HSMs and not MPC technology. And so we do that. We partner with Anchorage to provide that for our clients. Outside of that, you get an advisor that will actually tell you what to do with your crypto. They provide you other products and services alongside, just holding it in institutional custody. Like, that's cool, but what else can you do, right? So lines of credit against your digital assets. We can do Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, Matic, Chainlink, XRP, XLM, HBAR, Quant, Avalanche, and then pretty much any other EVM-based token, Trump token. We hold all those, and then we build bespoke institutional products on top of that for our clients. So right now we have a hedge fund that has about $400 million worth of XRP in it. We have two strategies that you can, ask them about. One's an income strategy and one is a growth strategy. Up to this point, those two funds that I can talk about have done 5% and 3% on the year. 5% on the income, 3% on the other. And then in addition to that, we are rolling out more products. We just rolled out the algorithmic trading on your IRA. The other thing I would say why digital wealth partners is better than just going direct, because there's going to be a lot of people that have a ton of money post price appreciation. You'll be able to go set up an institutional account if you want to. If you've got 20, 50, $100 million, you could go to an Anchorage, you could go to a Gemini, you could go to Coinbase. You've got to manage it all. You're not going to have access to the products that we provide. And the cost for the custody there is going to be much higher than what we would charge you. So we get billed on the total amount of AUM that we have under management. And so we're able to pass those discounts to our clients on the costs. So if you got 20, 50 million and you're going to go park it in Anchorage, they're going to charge you 50 basis points. We're going to be 40. And as it continues to escalate, our costs will come down and we will also pass those reductions on to clients. And then, 20 or 50 or $100 million is a lot of money. It is. It's a lot of money. And when you go to a bank, people are going to want to work with you. But when you are negotiating on your own behalf with financial institutions or hedge funds or whoever, they're dealing with billions of dollars. So if you're part of a larger group that has hundreds of billions or trillions of dollars under management, we can go negotiate on your behalf and get you a way better deal for interest rates, for returns, for all this stuff that you wouldn't be able to get on your own. But you're still getting all the benefits of being on your own because you have a segregated bankruptcy remote insured account with advisory and all of the opportunities that we provide.